Have you ever found yourself perplexed by software that just does not seem to behave as expected? It is a common experience, leaving users and developers alike wondering about the root cause of these digital hiccups. Understanding these issues is the first step toward resolving them. Software faults, often simply called bugs, are primarily categorized by their origin, their manifestation, and their impact within a system. Broadly, they can be grouped into design faults, coding faults, and environmental faults, each requiring a different approach for identification and resolution. This structured way of thinking about problems helps maintain order in the complex world of software engineering. These categorizations are crucial because they help us understand the distinct phases of software development where problems can arise and how they surface. For instance, a design fault occurs during the planning stage, representing a misunderstanding of requirements or an architectural flaw. Coding faults, on the other hand, are introduced during implementation, often due to syntax errors, logical mistakes, or incorrect use of programming constructs. Environmental faults are not in the code itself, but stem from the operating system, hardware, network, or external dependencies. Knowing the specific category provides a powerful starting point for diagnosis. Applying this understanding, you can systematically approach troubleshooting. If a program fails to compile, you are likely dealing with a syntax error, a type of coding fault that a compiler or integrated development environment can often pinpoint directly. If the program runs but produces incorrect results, it suggests a logical error, another coding fault, or possibly a design fault, necessitating a deeper dive into the algorithm or requirements. When a program crashes unexpectedly during execution, that often points to a runtime error, such as an attempt to access invalid memory or a division by zero, which could be a coding fault or exacerbated by environmental factors. It is also helpful to distinguish between a fault, an error, and a failure. A fault is the defect in the code or design, like a typo in an equation. An error is the incorrect state caused by that fault during execution, such as a variable holding an unexpected value. A failure is the observable deviation from expected behavior, like the program crashing. Many faults can remain just latent, meaning they are present but do not cause an observable failure until specific conditions are met, highlighting the importance of thorough testing across various scenarios. Ultimately, recognizing how software faults are categorized empowers you to be a more effective troubleshooter. By understanding whether a problem is a structural issue, an implementation mistake, or an external influence, you can efficiently narrow down potential causes and select the most appropriate debugging tools and strategies. This systematic approach transforms debugging from a random search into a targeted, analytical process, leading to more robust and reliable software systems.
If this helps you fix faster, like, subscribe, and keep debugging with us.